Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. Now we are in model number 2. Yesterday I said what are the formulas required for this model number 2. నేను చెప్పానమ్మా ఈ మోడల్ నెంబర్ 2లో ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి రిక్వైర్ అవుతాయో అవన్నీ నేను చెప్పాను. నౌ వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద మెథడాలజీ. అసలు ఎన్ని కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం. హౌ మెనీ కేసెస్ దిస్ మోడల్ హ్యావ్. ఓకే, దిస్ మోడల్ హ్యావ్ 3 కేసెస్. One is sine. What is the name of the model? Integral of the form. What is the name of the model? Integral of the form. See. Integral of the form. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, case 1, case 2, case 3. In the case 1 we have the form integral sine to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx, or integral cos to the power of mx sin to the power of nx dx. This is the case 1 formula. Case 2 formula, with using of sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Next one, cos square x. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, next one, it is in the form of case 3. Okay, case 3, it is in the form of like this. I will write, wait. Okay, it is in the form of, okay, case 3. Case 1 is in the form of that one. Case 3, integral tan to the power of mx secant to the power of nx dx, integral secant to the power of mx tan to the power of nx dx. I didn't say model number 3. Model number 1, sorry, case number 1, case number 2, I said already in the previous videos. ఓకే, నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేశానమ్మా. కేస్ నెంబర్ 1, కేస్ నెంబర్ 2 అనేది నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేశాను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో. ఓకేనా? విత్ యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ sin square x and cos square x formulas, we already done the sums in the previous videos, and we also seen that integral sin to the power of mx and cos to the power of nx dx, or integral cos to the power of mx and sin to the power of nx dx. We already solved these 2 cases. Now we are solving, okay, now we are solving this one, integral tan to the power of mx and secant to the power of nx dx, or integral secant to the power of mx sin to the power of tan to the power of nx dx. These are the representation of the questions. Okay, if m and n are the integers, okay, positive integers, okay, positive integers, mn are the positive integers, where m is not equal to n or equal to n, it is equal or not equal, there is a condition. I will now I will write the conditions of the each and every cases. Okay, now case number 1. How to solve the case number 1? How to solve the case number 1 is very important. మనం ఎలా చేయాలి, కేస్ నెంబర్ 1 అనేది ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? కేస్ నెంబర్ 1, హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద కేస్ నెంబర్ 1 means by using of we have to see a few different cases we have in this model. Okay, according to the basic rules, basic values of m and n. Okay, I will write first of all that a few different cases are there here in this model. A few different cases. What are the cases? 1 2 3 cases. Now only I written. నేను ఇప్పుడే రాశాను, మీరు చూసారు కదా. Cases according to the values of values means what? Values of m and n. Values means number. If it is having 2, it is having 3 and less than and greater than, 2 is less than and greater than, 2 is less than 3. Now what we have to do? 3 is greater than 2. What we have to do? Now I will tell. Okay, లెస్ దాన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, ఏం తీసుకోవాలి అనేది మనం చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఆర్ మెన్షన్ బిలో. Okay, now case number 1. What? Case number 1. Very important. What I am writing is very important for the model number 2. Previous videos also I said already we solved some problems of the model number 2. Now when m and n are positive integers. When m and n are positive integers, first condition, if the power, what is the case? Case number 1, what is the integral of the forms? Integral sin to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx, or integral cos to the power of mx sin to the power of nx dx. That is the form of the question. Then what they are saying, if the powers, first one, if the power of sin x, if the power of sin x is odd means 1 3, that all. If the power of sin x is odd, that is m is odd, what they are saying, if the power of sin x is odd, power means this one, power means what, this one. If the power of sin x is odd one means 1 3 5 7, so on, odd. Then what it is mean, m is odd. ఇక్కడ పవర్ ఆఫ్ దీని యొక్క పవర్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయితే అప్పుడు m ఏమైంది, ఆడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సారీ, పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయితే, ఓకే, పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయితే దీని పవర్ అనేది ఆడ్ ఉంటే m ఏమైంది, ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే m ఏమైంది, ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అయ్యింది కదా, అదే చెప్తున్నారు. దెన్ ఏమంటున్నారమ్మా, దెన్ పుట్ t is equal to cos x. సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ కదా, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ కదా ఇది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టాపిక్ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ by substitution. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్లో మోడల్ నెంబర్ 2. ఓకే, okay, we have to put cos x. Next one, if the power of cos x, now sin x over, second one, if the power of cos x means this one, if the power of cos x means n, here n, yes or no, what is the power of cos x, n. n is odd, again saying odd means 1 3 5 7. If the power of cos x is odd, therefore what they, n is odd, therefore n is odd. What we have to put, then put t is equal to sin x. T is equal to sin x. Then next, third condition, third one, if both powers of the cos x and what they are saying is both means what, m and n, cos and sin, we have to think like this, okay na. Both అంటే ఏంటి, cos and sin and m and n powers. If the both the powers means m and n, okay, the both powers, if the powers of cos x and sin x are odd, then that is m and n m and n are odd, then put t is equal to cos x, t is equal to cos s when m is less than n. Put t is equal to cos x when m is less than n. Okay. If m and n are odd, then put t is equal to sin x, m is greater than n. This is the condition of the case 1. 3 conditions. N is odd, then m is odd. Then we have to put t is equal to cos x. When the power of cos x is odd, then n is odd. Then we have to put t is equal to sin x. If the both powers of cos x and sin x are odd, means m and n are odd. Then put, if we want to put t is equal to cos x, the condition is we want to put t is equal to cos x. The condition is m is less than n. Then we have to put t is equal to cos x. If the m and n are the odd, and we have to put here, we have to put t is equal to cos. We have to put t is equal to sin x. What is the condition? The condition is m is greater than n. T is equal to sin x. M is greater than n. This is the conditions. These are the formulas we have to remember. Very, very important. Okay. Case 1. Case 1 is very, very important. And okay, the video is clear to all of you. I will check once. Okay, video is clear. The time is running fast, therefore we can end this video here, and I will continue next video, case number 2 and case number 3. No worry, we can leave. Thank you for subscribing me and supporting me. Thank you. Please share my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives and family members. Thank you.